Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Quick Pick. This week's Quick Pick on Jubak Asset Management YouTube video is Tencent. Tencent is the world's biggest computer game company, Chinese company. They're also the operator of the biggest chat platform in China. And they've been in my long-term portfolio for those reasons alone. But the one that sort of makes me want to own it now is that China is sort of having its own little AI boom. Not little, big AI boom. And it's kind of interesting that just at the time when doubts are rising in the US and causing valuation of AI stocks to go down, selling off, we're seeing AI stocks go up in China. Some of that is the effect of DeepSeek, the Chinese model that says, hey, we can build as good as or better AI models with using less money for training, and we can use them without buying as many NVIDIA chips. There are a number of these things perking up in China. Tencent and Alibaba are big players. And one of the reasons for them being really sort of important and wanting to put money into AI is if you have a big platform, like in the United States, you have Meta with Facebook, you have Alphabet with Google. If you have a big platform, you can add AI to enhance the platform, suck more people in. Well, if you own the biggest platform, as Tencent does, this AI is a big deal for you. So that's why you're investing money in it. They're not investing quite as heavily as Alibaba, but they are investing heavily, and I think they've got a better valuation for you as an investor. I would buy the ADRs. They trade here, that's the American Depository Receipt. They trade here as TCEHY. Last I looked, they were maybe still about 20% undervalued, according to Morningstar. So that's what I'd look at. That's what I'd look to own. I think this is if you're looking for places that are not the U.S. and that have the ability to move independently from the U.S. market, which are not very many places like that in the world at the moment. I think China's internet sector and its AI sector is one, and Tencent is the way to play it. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you get notification when we do our next one. We're trying to do about 3 a week, but I'm not always making it. I'm a little distracted. I'm in Venice and it's kind of fun. If you want more of my free stuff, you can go to my free site, jubakpicks.com. That's got 3 portfolios, 12 to 18 month, 5-year, and dividend. Or you can subscribe to my Jubak AM subscription site. Subscribe to my subscription site, that makes sense, which has 6 portfolios, those 3 plus ETFs, volatility, and really long-term, like beyond 5 years, more like 10 and 20 years portfolios. Also, last thing, as I said, I'm now in Venice. Moved to Italy in September of 2023, having fun, trying to get work done in the interstices of going out and having linguine con vongole. And I'm doing a Substack. It's called We Moved to Italy. It's free. You can find a link to that down below, as well as to all the other portfolios and sites, etc. So thanks very much for watching.